Hi class, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to upload a video on Flipgrid. It's really simple. So the first thing you'll have to do is go to the assignment. Once you are in the assignment, make sure that you click on the Google Docs so that you can see the questions, the objective, as well as all the information in this document. You will also find the link as well as a password, okay? Notice that this password is with capital P and it's Primavera 2020. It's just the same password as the last time. Once you have this information and you complete these questions, you will go back to the assignment or just click on the link, click on Flipgrid. Once you do that, this window will come out. Okay, you have to log in to record. Okay, just simply use your Google account, just the same one that you use for Google Classroom. Okay, and when this window comes up, this one, just make sure that you enter the password, capital P, Primavera 2020, and just make sure you click here so that you can see the password. As you can see, remember, it's a capital P. Once you do that and you click let's go, okay, an option to log in, because I haven't logged in again, will come out, and as soon as that comes out, just click the arrow to record. When you log in, you should be able to see the Flipgrid, okay, the title of the class, my name, as well as the task. So make sure that you read the task carefully. You can also find some links here like articles and videos. Then the important part now is to record yourself. To record yourself, you're going to find here this white arrow. Okay, make sure you click on this. Once you click on it, it will open up and it will probably ask you to log in again. Once you log in, you'll have the option to record yourself. Now this is super important. Make sure that you are using Google Chrome, because if you're using Safari or any other browser, you're not going to have these options. Now here, you're going to have this bunch of options, so you can play around and change the filter. If you're shy, you can pixelate yourself, okay, or you can even do black and white. It's up to you. You can also add, anything, any fonts, anything you want to say. I like to use it for glows and grows, okay? You can also use a bunch of different stickers, okay? Or I like to use this banner also for word language, okay? You could even use that. You can add anything that you want, okay? And you can also draw, or you can also turn this into a word, right? Or you can add any stickers that you want, anything that you have on file. So just have fun. You can record for, usually for up to like about 2 minutes, and you can edit it as much as you need to. You can also record yourself again and again until you find the perfect one, okay? Once you finish, make sure that you save and you upload this video. Once I finish the video, it will ask me to take a selfie, and then just take a picture of yourself, okay? Don't be shy. Again, remember that you have options, to add different filters, okay? So now, last but not least, make sure that you give your classmates at least 2 comments, okay? You can do a glow and a grow, and you can also ask them a question. Just make sure you read the prompt for your class and that you complete it so that I can give you full credit. I really enjoy your videos. Just have fun, okay? All right, I look forward to seeing your work. Bye.